Hey guys, this is Jed from gedztechmedia, and matagal na akong hindi create ng video for you guys na gustong mag-build this 2017 ng unit or ng kanilang computer. So, based on Blue Team tayo from Intel, this build is capable siya ng upgrades and improvements. So, okay siya for starting ka pa lang, for starting budget or nasa budget ka pero gusto mo ng kick out agad yung performance ng unit mo. So, with the pricing and dun sa product, andito na siya. Thank you Burmore Tech Zone for allowing me to use your website for this video, but I'm going to put the link of the Burmore Tech Zone link below. I think they can ship anywhere here in the Philippines. Just email them or send them a message, and then they have a good support, good team support. So, yan, let's start with the processor. We have the Intel Core i3 7100 KB Lite dual core. 51 watts lang siya, so medyo malamig. And 1151 LGA 1151, so latest na na processor. So, yan. And for the board is the ASRock H110M. Supports for LGA 1151. Lahat ng kailangan mo nandito. Meron siyang 3.0 USB pass-through. Meron din. And then, dual DIMM slot siya. And, hindi siya masyadong artistic, pero it gets the job. It gets the job done. Okay, so yun. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-upgrade, kung meron pa kayong extra money, you can upgrade to Fatality boards. It costs 3,145 pesos for the board. Next is a memory stick, which is cost 3,250. The AVEX here. Core series 8GB with 288 pin DDR4 siya. So, you can get the fastest memory kahit iisa lang siya, 8GB. Pwede kang bumili pag meron ka ulit pera, kasi tulad nga ng sinabi ko, upgradability yung theme ng build na to. So, you can put another 8GB kung meron ka ulit pera. So, upgrade your RAM for 16GB. Yan, tapos with LED siya, red. Wala tayong blue na LED, pero contact nyo na lang si Burmore kung meron silang extra blue one para mai-fit sa team ng ng build. Next is ito, 1TB hard drive for your storage. You can partition it or something. To store everything up. Hindi muna ako pumunta sa SSD kasi yun nga, upgradability and budget friendly yun. So 1TB blue hard drive for your everyday use. So 6 gigabit per second and 1TB siya, so okay siya for your OS and games. Yan, mga Dota 2, CSGO, Crossfire, yung mga yun. Next is the graphics card. Syempre, yung mga tawag nito, inboard na graphics card ng mga Intel, medyo hindi ka dapat umasa doon. Kung gusto mo sa inboard at wala kang pera for graphics card, punta ka muna sa Red Team. Yun. Pero kung maka Blue Team ka, loyal ka, ipon-ipon tayo konti kasi it costs a lot. Itong napili kong motherboard. Ito ang Zotac GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 2GB DDR5 and overclock editions siya. So medyo may kamahalan. 128-bit pin siya. So core clock is 1392 MHz. Boost clock is 1506. Yan. Pwede kang mag HDMI or kung anong prefer mo na monitor. So flexible lang siya. And then to build this one, Titan mid-tower case ako pumunta, white, and it costs only 2,995. Artistic siya, simple, and there's a lot rooms to work with. So yan. So cleanliness check, simplicity check, yung flexibility check, yan. So pumunta ako sa Techwear Titan mid-tower case. Shout out to Techwear Philippines. And then to power these things up, pumunta ako sa syempre sa certified labeled or true rated power supply. Corsair tayo. 600 watts power supply. It costs around 3,450 for the price and for the watts. Success na to. No need to upgrade for your power supply pag nag-upgrade ka ng CPU and graphics card. So well and good tayo dito. So all things up, Core i3 build. Thank you guys for watching. I hope nabigyan ko kayo ng ideas sa mga build nyo, and see you on my next video guys. Kung meron kayong tanong or suggestions, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. Thank you and have a nice build.